I came in looking for Poster 7.
Poster 7.
Poster 7 is the rules and regulations the federal government has put out for post offices that's supposed to be displayed on their walls.
Okay.
They do not have it.
Okay.
Lady came out, asked me what I was looking for. I told her I was looking for Poster 7.
Okay.
She said, I'm going to get Poster 7.
Okay.
That was 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
It's not seen Poster 7 yet.
Okay.
Federal regulations say I can film in this post office.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we are covering a video from the YouTube channel Government Guardian. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on June 2nd, 2021 in Gallatin, Tennessee. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of the local post office when he met some workers who couldn't stand that he was filming in a public lobby, so they called the Fillings Police. Well, let's jump right into this video and see how well or how badly the Fillings Police acted when they confronted the auditor for filming in public.
Okay. What is Poster 7? I don't know what federal...
It is a document, a poster that goes on the wall that tells regulations inside, regulations outside, as far as photography and other things of matter. It states on there plainly, anyone can film here. In 2018, Congress came out with a memo, congressional, that said it is legal for the public to film on any federal facility. Hallways, corridors, and offices.
I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying you're right either. I don't know. That's one of those things I just don't...
That's one of the reasons I'm here.
Okay.
Because people don't understand that and don't realize that.
Okay.
That is the law.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely.
I understand you have the right to, if it's true.
It is.
What's the point of it? Why are you filming it?
Just to make people aware.
Oh, okay, so you're just making a video.
That's correct.
Okay. Can I go? You my phone me in my car? Let me get my phone. Let me just Google that and just make sure.
Absolutely. If she'll bring Poster 7 out, you can read it.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'll Google it. If it says that, I'll ask her to bring it out.
Okay. You can also Google that congressional 2018 memo that says we can film on any federal facility.
Yeah.
Period. Public can.
Yeah. I'll explain to them. I can't. There's nothing.
That's fine. This is not my first rodeo.
I bet it ain't. Do you have an ID on you where I could log that I did speak to you?
Not required to ID. Nope. Not committed a crime. Not required to ID. I only have to ID.
I'm not even running you for a warrant check.
I only have to ID if you put me under arrest.
Okay. Right. You want to stand right here?
I'm fine right here.
Okay.
Excuse me?
Your first name? Can I get a first name from you? Or can I go?
Just call me Good Citizen, buddy.
Good Citizen? Okay. What's up? Sir, do you work here?
Yes, sir, I do.
Can I get your manager?
Yes, sir.
What was it,
Poster 7.
Poster 7 in post office?
That's correct. It is not displayed in there, and by government law, it is supposed to be displayed in the lobby.
What's that?
Poster 7.
That why you're
Rules and
That is
regulations.
one of the reasons, yes, sir.
You want to entice the
No, sir, I'm not trying to entice
You want
anyone.
to entice everybody. I know what you...
See, you want to say something to me about
I'm
taking
talking to you.
pictures, and
I'm
you're
talking
taking
to you.
pictures of me.
I'm not inside the building.
But I encourage that. That's your First
I
Amendment
know
right,
exactly
sir.
what my First Amendment
Well,
is.
good. Then you shouldn't say a word to me about me recording.
Is that what you're talking about?
It does look...
Photographs for news, advertising, commercial purposes?
Correct, sir.
Photographs for use for news purposes may be taken in entrances, lobbies, foyers, corridors, or auditoriums when used for public meetings, except where prohibited by official signs or security force personnel or other authorized personnel for a federal court ordered or rule. Other photographs may be taken only with the permission of the local postmaster or installation head.
I am here for commercial purposes because these stories are sold. I'm here for commercial news. Excuse me?
You say you're taking a video for an educational video, am I right?
It's not necessarily educational. Some of it is educational because the public's not aware.
Okay.
I also sell these stories, so it's commercial. So I have every legal right to be in here filming.
So is this going on YouTube? Is that what I'm understanding?
Possibly. I don't want to release anything too quick. I don't want to play my hand too quick.
Okay. it's an instructional video, but you won't give me the name of the video.
Can't. It's not released yet.
It's not released yet. Okay. You don't know. You won't tell me who you work for.
Don't have to do that, sir.
Okay. Usually, when you come in here to do videos like this, you have to give somebody your ID, some type of ID.
You absolutely do not. Only time you have to ID, this is the state of Tennessee, only time you have to ID is when you've been arrested. You do not have to ID any other time. You ought to know that, buddy.
Well, okay. Well, usually I try to talk to people and just know what their first name is.
I'd rather not relinquish that. That's my right.
Okay.
Can I help you with anything else? Are we done?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for this post 7.
Okay.
Post.
Well, you just saw it on your phone. You're not going
You wanted him to bring the post 7?
I actually want him to put it up where it's supposed to be.
I
By
wanna
government rules, it's supposed to be
I
up.
want to see it.
Okay.
And
Well,
I
you
got,
just-
I got my supervisor on the way.
Okay, that's fine. But if a lady would have brought me out poster 7, I'd have been out here 15 minutes ago. I just wanted to see poster 7 and
That's
see it
all
up.
you wanted?
That's all I was asking for.
Okay. So
I'd have
that's
been
all
out.
you're wanting.
I'd have been out here 15 minutes ago. That's a government regulation.
Okay.
You
As soon
know.
as he brings it out, tell him to put it up.
Well, I have him put it up. Let me take a look at it. I'll be.
that's one way.
I'm going back in and record.
That's what we're waiting for to get.
And that's fine. And I'm going back in and record for a couple of minutes, and then I'll be out of here. All right.
At least get your first name.
Buddy, I'd rather not relinquish that.
Well, I talked to the U.S. Postal Inspector.
Okay.
He's over all these facilities and everything. His name is Mr. Wilson. He says if you want to record, stand on the grass out here all day long.
I'm going to challenge you on that because that's not the way the law
But
works.
it's his property.
It's not his property, sir. This is federal property.
Okay, because you've not identified yourself and you've scared some of these people, he's asking that you leave the property.
Well,
If you don't leave, we're going to charge you with trespassing.
Okay, two things. You can't charge me with trespassing on public
I'm
property.
telling you what's going to happen, okay? He's asked that you leave the property or stand out there in the grass and record all you want to. He does not want you up on the sidewalk just because you're scaring people. If you're not willing to compromise, then you will be arrested for
Okay, so
trespassing.
can I speak now?
Sure.
15 cameras in the post office.
Right.
They're scared of my camera.
Well, they're scared of what you were doing and the way you were doing it.
Well, I didn't approach anybody. I didn't say a word to anybody whatsoever until the lady asked me what I was looking for, and I told her I was looking for poster 7. That is the only conversation I had in the post office at all.
Okay, so,
So-
did you see the poster?
No.
Okay.
The poster they had is like this. It's a photocopy.
Okay, so
It's a
so
2
they're
foot.
not. You think they're not in compliance with what it should be?
I guarantee you they're not in compliance.
Okay.
Every post office got mailed a 2 foot by 3 foot laminated poster that's colored to go on the wall to be displayed, not an 8 by 11 photocopy sheet.
Okay.
So that's what I was looking for. I didn't think that was it because that's obviously not what I was looking for. I was looking
Right.
for something a lot larger. There is no, like I was explaining to this gentleman also, in privacy, you have expectation of privacy. But in public, there is no expectation of privacy. You already understand that. I'm sure you know that's the law.
To a degree.
Well, in public, if you want to have private space, you have to create it. That's what the law says.
So are you willing to compromise and stand over there and record all you want?
No, I am not. So
Okay. well,
I'm not going to go back in, but I'm going to go contact my attorney, Mr. Stinson and Mr. Cummings. I'm going to have both of y'all in front of my attorney or on paperwork through my attorney because you're not in compliance with the laws of the post
we're doing
office.
what the postmaster wishes.
And that's fine. And I've got his name also,
Sure.
so he'll be on that paperwork as well.
Okay.
You gentlemen understand, by reading poster 7 yourself, I have every right to be in there.
Well, there's certain guidelines that says you do, but then when you start doing things like you said you're with the media, which media are you with? You're supposed to provide us your credentials.
That is not correct, sir.
You're with the press. You're supposed to.
That is not correct. There is
There you're with the media.
50 years ago, there was press credentials. There is not press credentials given to anyone anymore unless you call ahead with a 50-person party that's coming in, and then they'll give you a
I've
lanyard.
never heard that.
Well, they don't give out press credentials anymore for individuals. That's just the way. Guys, I'm leaving now because they asked me to because I don't want to cause any more problems, but I will be back. I want you to understand that, so you might as well prepare for me because I will be back.
Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember and go over and check out Government Guardian's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please send me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.